Today, I'm going to show you how to make your signature digital with Photoshop, step by step, in a really simple way. This is perfect if you want to sign documents faster, add a professional touch to your files, or create a reusable transparent signature you can drop onto forms, PDFs, invoices, and more. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is prep your signature properly. Take a clean sheet of solid white paper and write your signature on it using a dark pen or marker. Black ink works best because it creates the strongest contrast and makes it much easier to remove the background later. Try to keep the signature neat and centered on the page, and avoid shadows, wrinkles, or anything that could make the edges harder to cut out. Once your signature is written, take a clear photo of it with your phone in good lighting, or even better, scan it if you have a scanner available. A scan usually gives you cleaner results, but a well-lit photo works just fine as long as the paper looks white and the signature is sharp. After that, open the image file in Photoshop. Now that your signature is open in Photoshop, the next step is to boost the contrast. This is what helps separate the dark ink from the white background and makes the cleanup process much easier. On Windows, press Ctrl+L. On Mac, press Command+L. That will open the Levels adjustment window. Inside Levels, you'll see 3 sliders underneath the histogram. Start by dragging the left black slider inward. This darkens the ink and helps bring out the edges of your signature. Then drag the right white slider inward so the paper becomes a clean, bright white. You want the background to look as white and neutral as possible while keeping the signature bold and readable. Take a second to preview the result. If the signature still looks too light, nudge the sliders a little more until the contrast looks strong but natural. Once it looks good, click OK. Now it's time to remove the white background. Go up to the top menu bar and click Select, then choose Color Range. This tool is great because it lets you isolate specific tones in the image. In the pop-up window, open the drop-down at the top and select Shadows, then click OK. This will instantly select the darker parts of your image, which in this case are your signature lines. With the signature selected, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. This copies your selection onto a brand new layer, so your signature is now separated from the original background. It's a really important step because it creates a clean, isolated version of the signature that you can use anywhere. Next, go to your Layers panel and find the original bottom layer. Click the eye icon next to it to hide that layer. When you do this, you should now see your signature sitting on the gray and white checkerboard pattern. That checkerboard means the background is transparent, which is exactly what you want for a digital signature. At this point, you can use the Move tool to reposition your signature if needed, or make it a little bigger or smaller depending on how you plan to use it. If you want the cleanest possible result, take a moment to zoom in and make sure the edges look smooth and there isn't any leftover paper texture around the signature. Now for the final step, saving it properly. Go to File, then choose Save a Copy. In the File Format drop-down menu, change the format to PNG. PNG is the best choice here because it supports transparency, which means your signature will stay background-free when you use it in other documents. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later, then click Save. If Photoshop asks about PNG options, just confirm the settings and continue. Once it's saved, your signature is ready to use. And that's it. You've now turned your handwritten signature into a clean digital signature in Photoshop, and you've saved it as a transparent PNG file that you can place on contracts, forms, PDFs, and other digital documents whenever you need it. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with someone who needs a quick and easy way to digitize their signature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.